Welcome to today's video, where we will explore how to view group statistics in the Band app. Many people use Band to organize communities, and understanding group statistics helps leaders track engagement, monitor activity, and manage participation more effectively. First, open the Band app on your phone. Make sure you are inside the group where you want to check statistics. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you will find all the management tools for your group. Scroll down and select the option called Band Statistic. This section is dedicated to providing a clear overview of how your group is performing. Inside Band Statistic, you will find detailed information such as the number of new members who joined, how many visitors checked your group, which members are writing content, and the number of comments posted. These insights can help you measure engagement and understand how active your community is. Finally, take time to review these statistics regularly as they can guide you in making improvements, encouraging participation, and keeping your group thriving.